This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the essentials match. Update the Bpl Tv firmware and your phone OS, then join the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, enable the TV's screen mirroring mode. Look under Settings right arrow Network or Display for Miracast, Chromecast, or Cast. Make sure the TV shows a pairing name. You'll need it on your phone. This step matters because the TV advertises itself on the network. Without it, your phone cannot discover or connect reliably. Now switch to your phone to initiate the cast. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Cast or Smart View, then pick the Bpl TV name shown. Accept any PIN prompt on screen. On iPhone, AirPlay rarely works with generic Bpl sets, so use a Lightning or USB-C to HDMI adapter or stream via an Apple TV box if available. If your Bpl TV has Chromecast built in, open Google Home, select Cast Screen/Audio, and choose the TV. Each method connects differently. Choose the path that matches the TV. Once you initiate casting, switch the TV input to the mirror or HDMI source. You should see your phone screen within seconds. If video or audio lags, reduce phone streaming resolution or use a wired HDMI adapter for a stable link. If the TV does not appear on your phone, reboot the TV and phone, toggle Wi-Fi, and disable any router client isolation. These steps resolve most network discovery failures. Keep a note of the TV's pairing PIN or code. It helps if the devices prompt for confirmation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.